Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out our channel. We're USA Bunker Company. My name is Todd. I am the co-founder of USA Bunker Company and president and one of the main bunker designers. So we decided to create a channel. This way we can show you kind of what we do. We've been building bunkers since 2012. We build two different style bunkers. We custom square rectangular style bunkers, and we also build the round corrugated bunkers. We got some of the best prices on the market as far as the round corrugated bunkers. Our square rectangular ones are definitely much steeper in cost due to material and labor involved in them, but they're very custom, they're durable, they exceed the federal standards required. What we're going to do is I'm heading down to the shop now, and I'm going to walk you through one of the bunkers that we're building now, so we can kind of see the process from building it from the ground up. We'll get to see all our the components that we use, how they work, how we design them, what we design them for, and you get to see our building process and what makes our bunkers as strong and durable as they are. So check it out. There's going to be many more videos. Try to update it weekly as I can as we get this one built with progress, and it should be fun. So thanks for watching, and here's the first video. So almost forgot, don't you forget to like and subscribe. That way you get notifications when we drop a new video, and check out the bunker builds that we do. Alright, now you can start the video. Alright, so to start with all this, these are our air systems. These are our air delivery and exhaust pipes. These are all 1/4 inch thick steel, and we're the only ones that design these in a way to where you have a sleeve that fits over here. So when these get welded together, your sleeve will come up to this joint, and then we weld the sleeve and the joint together. And what that does is that prevents the galvanized, these aren't galvanized yet, that's the galvanizing from burning off on the inside. And then, it's going to keep it from rusting from the inside out. And this is where all your air and moisture and everything's going to be coming through. So if you have any exposed metal, it's going to corrode the quickest here. So we're the only ones that do this. And it's a good system. It works. And it allows you to make turning adjustments to put it the way you want it before you weld it into place. So over here this is our main air intake. We don't use just one big singular pipe with a T. This is our design, designed specifically for bunkers. So you have two air intakes that come up from the surface of the ground. Again, it's the same material as all these. It's going to go into this. This is a catch box. So all your air, if there's any moisture or anything being condensed through the long pipes, it'll catch down in here. It'll fill in here. And then this isn't obviously done or galvanized yet, there'll be a check valve that's here. So when that fills up, gets a certain point, that'll release and it'll empty and drain out. And that just helps if someone's trying to tamper with your bunker. If they're trying to pour liquids or fluids in there, it's all going to catch in here, and it's going to fill up and drain out before it ever gets into your bunker. So on the back side is your air inlet on the top before the water level can get there. So that's how that works. Everything that we put in is specifically designed for bunkers. We don't use anything that's like retrofitted. For example, our doors, we don't use ship doors that are made for boats and ships. So we design all of our doors specifically for bunkers. These ones aren't made yet, but this is, again, all progress videos. So I'll update you guys as we go, just so you can see how our bunkers are built. We do everything custom, and we design everything specifically for. So all of our locking mechanisms are these here, real thick, heavy-duty stuff. All of our pivot points, our locking arms. These are some doors that are getting ready to be made. They were just cut for all the pivot points. So you'll see how those come along. These are parts for our hatches. These are the risers for our hatches. Again, thick 1/4 inch steel at the minimum. These are our hinge boxes. Those are our hinges that'll go in. And you'll see how those come together, but the hinges go into these hinge boxes so that way they're protected from the outside. They're not exposed outside. You can perform maintenance on them from the inside of the bunker if need be, and they're spring assisted. They'll have springs in there, so you don't have to worry about, you know, if there's a significant amount of heat and your shocks fail for gas shocks, or if they just fail in general, your springs are still there. So this is all the steel plate. Again, the minimum that we use is 1/4 inch steel. So this bunker is going to get plated with all this. And all of our steel plate goes on the outside of the structure. So as you'll notice, you'll see bunkers, everybody puts all their supports on the outside and then the steel skin on the inside. And what that does is that puts all the pressure on the plate, and that's pushing against the welds of the support. So the supports aren't the ones actually holding it together. It's the plate and the welds, which is going to create failure. But as you'll see as we come along, and I'll explain it more as to why our process is a lot different. And it's engineered by more than one engineer. It's gone over these designs to ensure strength and durability. So these are our supports that we use. These are your 1/4 inch thick square tubing. And these go on the inside, and we place these 16 inches on center. Again, when we talk about other bunkers that you see built with the supports on the outside, they put theirs 2 feet on center on the outside. Ours are on the inside, and they're designed so that way your interior dimensions go based on the face of the support, not where the plate would be on the outside. So you're not losing interior space. But this bunker, again, these are all our supports that are all being cut, get in place. So the rest of the air systems, that is the air out, so it's only one pipe. It's a 5-inch diameter steel pipe, so that'll be your air out. These are the hatch lids. I mean, they're just being made, so those are also minimum 1/4 inch thick steel. And that's it. So what you'll see is this pile of steel all being cut. We'll begin to get assembled into a nice bunker. So follow our channel, just keep an eye out, and I'll try to do quick progress upgrades. Let me go over here real quick before I turn off. These are another set of the air pipes that are going for this bunker. So these are two of your long runs that are under the ground. What this does is it controls the air temperature. So the air will come in, it'll go through this, where it will control the temperature. Any condensation, it'll catch. And then that'll go down into that air box that I showed you earlier. And that's it. So watch out for the next episode as we get this thing built, and you'll see exactly why USA Bunker Company is the custom builder for bunkers, and we do everything specifically for bunkers. We don't retrofit.